Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a NOKIA G22 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint of this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and then let's find the security. Then let's tap on the fingerprint, and as you can see we have to choose a screen lock, which may be quite confusing, but it is necessary if you do not have a screen lock currently set. If you've got one, no worries, you will be just transferred to another step. If not, you really have to do it right now. It is because that if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with, for example, the pattern PIN or password without the need to go through the hard reset operation, which will wipe out all of the data. So just pick the one you'd like to use. I will pick the pattern. Let me set it. So let me draw it, redraw it, and confirm. And here we've got the lock screen, so we can decide what we want to show on the lock screen. So just mark the option you'd like to use and tap on done. And here we've got the information for what you can use the fingerprint basically, so for unlocking your device or approve the purchases. So let's tap on next. Here we've got the animation, we've got the instructions, so we have to touch the sensor, which is located on the power button on the side of your device. It is said that you have to lift and put the center part of your finger in the sensor repeatedly. Basically, also position your hand just like you will normally use your device, so probably something like that. You can use your thumb, you can use your index finger, or even small one, whatever. Just make sure that you will enter the fingerprint of the finger, which will be comfortable for you. So okay, I've accidentally tapped the sensor with my index finger, so I will finish it with that. Okay, so as you can see, the sensor is quite sensitive, I would say, so you have to be really careful with adding your fingerprint. Basically, all you have to do right now is to, as you can see, put your finger on it, feel the vibration, so release the finger, and then touch it again. So basically, this is how you have to do that. And be patient. It may take quite a long of time because, as you can see, this sensor is quite sensitive. It really can see that I'm duplicating the area I've previously added. Yeah, as you can see, I still have got this information. Alright, finally we just added the fingerprint. We can add another, we can rename it, or simply tap on done. What happened? Okay, so this is the section with the fingerprints. We do not have a lot of options to customize. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can remove it just by tapping on the trash bin icon or rename it. Let me do it here. Tap on OK. And you can add also another fingerprint. I believe you can add up to 5 different fingerprints. Alright, so let me lock the device and let's check if the fingerprint is working. So let me lock it. I will put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is immediately unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So basically that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.